guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are gonna do 1000 rupees challenge. The commercial street and so let's we gotta see what we get with 1000 rupees. 젠발다. 파 파기스타. 이네 파 진지라 마와라 공켜보 망고. कितना बोला? So guys, we are inside. 아니 좀 디스톤이 вообще कैसे करेगा हो गया 40 rupees. 너무 심심해서. Look at her. This 이 좀. 몸을 쓰면서 이 좀 여우들아. 이 카페나 카페나. 가지는 거 좀 했어. 너무 숨겨지. 나도 카페에 있어. 나 만든 맛이다. Guys, don't know what to buy. Miles, göster. Kapindi. 숨겨 들고. 왜 더 들어요, 먼저. भाई कितना है?
290 में
290. अम्मा इतना ज़्यादा प्राइस. थोड़ा कम नहीं.
नहीं भाई फिक्स रेट.
अम्मा ऐसा मत करो. इंजिट है, तदा. 왜 나로도? 와, 홍해 친구도. 미니저 보다. 미니저. भैया कितना है?
450 का ये.
हाँ भैया इतना ज़्यादा.
मैडम ये क्वालिटी देखिए एक बार हमें निकल के दिखा. क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है. मार्बल केस है, प्योर मार्बल.
ये तो मार्बल तो है, स्क्रैच नहीं आएगा.
नहीं स्क्रैच प्रूफ है. तो वेरी
Guys, if I buy this, I'm left with only 6, right? थोड़ा सस्ता में दो ना भैया. 450 से 420. सुनकर मुझे तो ऐसे.
एक ये है इसमें एंड वन दिस वन.
भैया 200 लस. 200 में नहीं आएगा.
ये 200 में आपको नॉर्मल कवर आएगा. 750 से कम नहीं देते वो. सुबह सेल किया हमने.
हाँ. हम स्टूडेंट है ना.
वही इसलिए तो कम बोल दिया हमने. स्टूडेंट है करके और आपको बिल्कुल टोटली चेंज रहेगी.
इससे कम वाला कौन सा है?
इससे कम वाला देखो ये नॉर्मल 200 का 300 का है. लेकिन प्रिंट में है देखो चुम्बक प्रिंट आएगा 250.
हमको ये दोनों पसंद आया.
2 चाहिए 3 चाहिए?
2 चाहिए नहीं, एक ही चाहिए. थोड़ा कम करो प्लीज.
ठीक है 14
कितना?
14. उसमें इतना ही मिलता है. मार्जिन नहीं रहता उसमें एक्चुअली. बहुत कम.
300 में नहीं आएगा.
300 नहीं आएगा.
क्यों भैया वो 250
ठीक है
है.
400 दे दो बस.
नहीं भैया.
इतना कम नहीं होता सीरियसली. नहीं तो मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करने का
मेरा रीजनेबल प्राइस 350 लास्ट. हम लोग so we got at 350. Yeah, so I am left with कितना बचा है भैया? 1000 से 350 माइनस करने से 650. So let's see what we get for 650 rupees. Okay भैया. So guys, I bought this for 350 rupees. And you can get it here. Thank you भैया.
We stole pistol on the draw.
수고다. है कितना है इसका ये वाला
कैसे कैसे कितने
देखो ना मोमोज क्यों था भैया हमें थोड़ा कम मिलेगा प्राइस
Waste all my love. Reach for the stars. When
थैंक यू भैया 네 진짜가도 भैया 50 ना
so darling, ride like the wind.
이마다 송어유 망치니 게 So 남들 how much money are you left with? Oh 아직 뭐 하진 않죠? I have 7 and some changes 7 and some changes Okay so but I have only you bastard I have only around 3 no I have only 5 left and I have 7 because I'm waiting for that mall where I want to buy that clothes but she's not taking me there well we didn't like the pani puri we ate it's sort of you know tasted like it's spoiled one you can say so we are going I mean we are heading to
We're heading to the mall which I wanted to go
okay
and I don't know the name but then she knows them.
I am actually not sure whether the mall she wants is the one which I am thinking.
Happy branded Ma kolla di quelle. Ma happy this what you say. Nanti boldun la jumla boyfriend ye na dara having to understand. Ye joking.
Actually it was 800 I have 500 left she has yeah ice cream can I have your little pin so what's that you want so guys I think we both are very stingy because I'm left with 500
She only didn't
rupees
took me to the one which I want to go so that's why I didn't spend anything.
This bastard has 800 rupees left. Can you imagine? Well, I think you know we girls are. I mean, me and my best friend, we don't like to buy unnecessary things.
Oh my god.
That is why we are left with such money, I guess. Yes.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
bro.
Hey guys, so we both are heading to the most delicious momo restaurant in Brickett and it's called Yak Kitchen. So guys, we are waiting outside because it's packed and there is no seats available right now. That is why we ordered and we are taking away the momo. So something about Yak Kitchen, it's not so big as you think, but it has got a tasty momo, juicy momos. You know, if you really want to know about how Tibetan momo tastes like, then you should visit Yak Kitchen. I don't know about other Tibetans, but for me, I feel that this is it. You know, this momo is the purest Tibetan momo. So you guys can just visit Yak Kitchen. da. The boyfriend digs था ये text पंगा digs सुले. The boyfriend इन्हें text नहीं हुआ था. 맞아, 뛰어든요, 그래. 신나게 너, 옛날에. 맞아, 고무라, 고무 앞에 들어가. 맞아, 딜라 고무. 딜라 was doing chesh라. 나이겠어, you can just 아니다. 이네 양 아니 몽구살이야. 가사래. 아무루직 사이. 아니 아이스크림 사이. 아이스크림 사이. 아니 what else? We have 주스토에는 몽몽아이. 아니 너가 단다라야. So that means 무직동 소리나. How much? 이네 commercial로 구무려야. At least 나도 어스타에들로 구무 가져들라 송경합주 딜라 하즈래 저만한 게 무게주로 딜라야 딜 getting issue. So I spend around 120 plus 350 is how much? Total ngajiga buduram calculation lagta. 120 plus 350 숨경합주 집경합주 조수딘주 집경딘주 that means
Dikhe ostandra.
집경딘주란다 여윤 윤유시
But compared to me,
걔다야
you spend a lot.
I spend more than you. She will only spend around 120 for the earrings and for her nose. What do you call that? I don't know. That is 40 rupees, I guess, and that is 120. So 40, 50, 60, 160 rupees.
160 rupees.
That means you are left with huge amount. You know.
I'll show you. I don't know.
She actually has a lot.
Where is my 500?
Now her 500 is missing. Where's your 500 bucks?
Where is my 500? Oh, it's here.
Show her, so she's left with.
I'll show you. Where's my 500?
My goodness, she is so stingy. So she has not spent any money yet. 많이 이러다 부들 아니 모모 팩 치디샤 나로라 많이 줄로라 부디에 리야 키친레 야 키친
Momo blood shield. Plus 16.
Hey guys, thank you for watching.
Guys, I'm so tired and
And do not forget to
she's not
subscribe
leaving me.
channel. See you guys. Love you all. Want to say something?
Bye.
But then your right came and they took you